can see a lot going on the Skycam tonight.
Yeah, we might be missing the fireworks, but at least we can see some on the Skycam, maybe some illegal activity going on, because we're not really supposed to be firing off fireworks in Sioux Falls except for the actual fireworks show, but we're seeing plenty of them on the Aerostay Hotel Skycam. Welcome back, everybody. It's now about 5:46. We're not seeing anything over our area as we have high pressure. The closest rain to us is actually in Texas and into Arkansas. We're not going to see any rain. 55 degrees by 8 a.m. with plenty of sunshine, mid-70s by noon, low 80s by 5. Really doesn't get much better as we will have low humidity, low winds, and perfect temperatures. It's going to be a very comfortable day.
Good day to do just about anything outside.
Yeah, it was great for outdoors. We didn't see any rain, which we haven't seen much of that lately, as many of us are in a drought. But the big thing was the humidity today. It was a lot better, felt a lot better out there. Unfortunately, we're not going to see that over the next few days. The humidity will be on the rise.
Good morning, Cole. How is it looking out there for the eclipse?
Yeah, it's not looking too great, unfortunately. You might want to travel, if you can, to see a better view of the eclipse today, because we're going to see mostly cloudy skies and some thunderstorms, as we're already seeing thunderstorms to the north and west. This is a severe storm pushing off to the east at about 35 miles per hour. We've seen it held together the past hour or so. Here's where we're seeing that rotation. Just to the northeast of Wagner is where we're seeing the strongest rotation. It's actually becoming a little stronger as when I last looked. We're seeing stronger indications of rotation. Again, I haven't seen any reports of a tornado on the ground, but this is a very strong storm. Very strong rotation with this storm, as well as we're seeing a radar couplet, velocity couplet here just to the northeast of Wagner and south of Kennedy as the storm pushes off to the east at 40 miles per hour. This is for Lyman County. This storm is moving to the south and east at about 20-25 miles per hour, but the big news with this is it has tennis ball size hail. Make sure to take cover immediately if you're in the path of this storm.
And Cole, today is one of those days where sunscreen and water come in handy.
Yeah, you definitely needed the sunscreen. We had like a UV index of about 9, so definitely a very hot day as well. A lot of places hit 100 degrees today. The Aerostay Hotel Skycam at Sioux Falls, lots of sunshine out there, not really many clouds at all. We do have a few showers and storms, though, off to the south and west. We have seen some very beneficial rainfall the past 24 hours as we had some very strong storms yesterday to the south and west, and again, we're seeing the same spots being hit. Check this out. Radar indications almost 4 inches of rainfall just to the northeast of Valentine. We also saw some heavy rainfall to the north or around Watertown area as well, about 3 to 4 inches. So even though we're seeing some strong storms, we are seeing some very much needed rainfall. A slight risk for severe storms, the south of I-90 for the south and east, especially Yankton, Sioux Falls included in this. This is for large hail, damaging winds possible, even some isolated tornadoes, as all ingredients are there today. We'll have to see how much cloud coverage we will get today to see if we could see some storms really start to form and see some severe storms out there. We have a tornado possible warned storm. It's a severe thunderstorm warning with wording such as tornado possible, which means there's rotation within this storm. This is for Charles Mix County, Bonham County, as well as Douglas County and Hutchinson County.
Well, Cole joins us now outside, and it's a little toasty out there, Cole.
Yeah, it's pretty warm, but the best part about today has to be because there's not much humidity, which the past few days we've seen a lot of humidity. Today, not so bad. And it's very nice on the Aerostay Hotel Skycam in Sioux Falls with lots of sunshine. We're going to see a lot of sunshine over the next couple of days as well with high pressure over the area. You'll see on radar really nothing going on, only a few sprinkles actually off out of the viewing area to the south and west. Tomorrow it's going to be perfect pool weather, UV index of 9, so definitely going to need that sunscreen and a lot of water. 89 by 1, 93 by 4, and a high of about 94 degrees. It's going to be a very hot day. Those to the south and west, I call this extreme heat. More thunderstorms to the south and east. You'll notice thunderstorms forming right around 1 o'clock is when we'll see a line start to form, and those will push off to the east and be increase in coverage for the evening hours. That's when I really think we have the chance for severe weather for the south and east, as we are under a slight risk for severe storms. For Tuesday and Wednesday, though, we'll see high pressure build in, plenty of sunshine, and temperatures in the 70s. It's going to be fantastic with beautiful weather. Today is not going to be beautiful whatsoever. It's going to be 78 degrees. We'll see an eclipse at 91% here in Sioux Falls. At 1:01 is max eclipse time, but unfortunately I don't think we're really going to be able to see it. We'll see cloudy skies. Hopefully I'm wrong. This is really the one time that I'm hoping my forecast is wrong.
Some good reminders there, Cole. Be
Definitely
careful around those chickens.
Don't kiss the chickens. That's what I took away from it.
Well, sometimes. Just clean your hands when you're done. Switching over to weather with meteorologist Kole Fehling this morning. What do you have for us, Cole?
Well, we have a chilly morning out there right now. We're in the 50s and even 40s in some of our areas. We're at 52 degrees in Sioux Falls, 50 in Bismarck, 51 in International Falls, 61 in Chicago, and 62 in Cincinnati. So not too much temperature change except for to the south where we're 78 in Dallas. We are much cooler than that, especially to the north as we're 44 degrees in Aberdeen, 59 in Pierce. A little better to the west. We're in the upper 40s in Siston and low 50s in Watertown. So definitely a chilly morning, more chilly than it was yesterday morning as well. We're not seeing any clouds out there right now, and that's why we're seeing cooler temperatures on the Aerostate Hotel Sky Cam in Sioux Falls. We're seeing clear skies, a nice morning, brisk morning, cool, and at least we're not seeing high wind speeds. We're seeing calm wind speeds to the east, a little bit of a breeze and Pier at 12 miles per hour to the east, but at least it's not adding to those chilly temperatures. We are seeing a little bit of some low visibility to the south and east, 3 miles in Yankton. We have seen it as low as about 1 mile this morning, so we'll have to watch the south and east for any fog potential through the morning hours. Dew points won't be too bad over the next couple of days. It's going to be a very comfortable next few days. We'll be in the 50s and 60s through at least Friday, and then Friday we see the humidity creep up into the mid 60s to upper 60s, going to get more uncomfortable, and that'll help fuel energy for storms on Friday and into Saturday as well. We'll see clear skies, no storms to worry about over the next few days. We might see a few clouds to the south and east, but most of us will remain dry and see sunny skies. We will see a few sprinkles Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, but most of us will be dry. We'll be seeing more widespread rain, though, Thursday night and into Friday. Futurecast isn't really picking up too much on that for Thursday night, but I think we see more rain than what Futurecast is showing. A little warm to the south and west will be in the upper 80s for most of us. To the north will be in the low 80s. Hot, not bad, with some sunshine. To the south and east, even better in the low 80s and upper 70s, looking fantastic. Tonight will be another chilly morning in the 50s, but not as bad as it is right now. 7-day forecast will be at 80 degrees today, upper 70s tomorrow, and a wet weekend ahead, Carlene.